Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today I'm doing a bit of a different video. This is a house that my parents rented while I lived in the van for a month in Florida. I'm going to show you this house that my parents rented. Bedroom 1. And it has sheets and closet. And then we got bedroom 2. And another closet, dresser, ready for you with sheets on it. And then they have a linen closet for extra stuff in case you need it. This huge bed here with its own shower, bathroom. And then at this point are wondering, it's a 3-bedroom house. Suzy, why didn't you stay in the house with them? Great question. Here's the deal. 3 reasons why I stayed in my van and they stayed in the house. 1, when I bought this van, I made my bed very comfy. To me, sleep is important, even though I never get enough. I don't know if there is a such thing, but I made my bed comfortable for me. All the time, I love sleeping in my bed. Number 2, both of my mom and dad are on oxygen. Now, if you have ever heard the concentrator going, double that by 2 and listen to that all night long. No, thank you, unless I have to. And third reason is because I need my downtime. I love my mom and dad to death. They are my world. They are pretty much my family other than my kid and my grandkid. So I would do anything for them. But we all need our space. They had rented the house. That was their space. My van is my sanctuary, my space. And I got to have my space, my downtime, when they wanted their space. It worked out for both of us, and there is no complaints about me staying in my van down in Florida. If you've ever talked to me, you know I love my van. And yes, everybody in Florida got a kick out of why I wasn't staying in the house with my parents. They think I'm a little weird. That's okay. I am. And I like me. Back to the video. There's a guest second bathroom with shower. But it is a 3-bedroom with laundry, kitchen, which they have dishes, 4 plates and bowls, a refrigerator, like I said, the laundry right there, big backyard. They even have a grill. We used that and cooked out hamburgers. Beautiful dining room, living room, and if that ain't a big enough TV, I don't know what else. And then here's the front. If you're traveling in a van and you need to rent a house, or you just want to take a break from van life, come check this place out. I will leave Dan and Keith's phone number in the description. Check this out. Beautiful house. And they've got even a carport. My van won't fit under that. My van's a little too tall. But this backyard, they have patio set with cushions. They even have extra chairs. Very accommodating. Great landlord. Love them. Could not have asked for a better stay.
Here in these 2 boxes, right over here and here, are going to be a video that is related to this video, and the other one is the one that YouTube thinks you should watch. So click into that now.